Magnet fishing the boat dock after the 4th of July. All right, let's see what we can get, buddy. Well, help me pull it in? Pull. Pull. Go slow.
Slow so the fish don't get out.
Slow so the fish don't get out. Oh, that got heavy. That could be good.
Maybe we got something.
I felt a little click, but it could have just been me hitting rock.
Cement.
I think we lost our head.
Let's see. We did.
Where
Yep.
is it?
We got one.
Where is it?
We got a bungee cord. Hey, it's something. That's cool.
Pull it in.
That thing is heavy.
Oh.
You really got something, buddy. A hook.
A hook. This is. I'm gonna try to get one.
Or anything?
Nope, I did get anything. No. I got a big fish. I'm gonna catch another one.
Better have a big thing on it. Oh, what is that? Just seaweed or?
Just one.
No, you got something metal, right? Oh, on this one.
Careful. Catch a fish. Might.
Definitely have something on. I don't know if I'm gonna lose it or not. It feels big. It feels big. There's got to be something. Yeah, 100%.
Hey, when you pull it in, put it in my net. When you grab up,
Yep. Quite a few somethings.
put it in my net.
Trash, but still something. Whatever you want.
Pull it in like that.
Watch your feet. Good job.
Pull it up.
Hold up. We did, buddy.
I think it's a fish.
Let's see. I don't think it's a fish, but nope. You want? You got it? What do you got? Trash. And it would be stuck. Did you get something or no?
Yeah, I got 2 things. A screw. And whatever that is. Then it got easy, then hard again.
No, there's something on it. What is it? Is it metal?
You got
Tiny
something.
little piece. I felt something dragging, but it. Hey.
So, throw something back in. I want to throw something back in.
Bolt. I think we actually got something on this time.
Let's hope so. We're cleaning the water.
Oh.
Focus.
Seaweed. I swore there. Oh, there is. There's. Oh, maybe not.
I
Okay,
thought
lied.
that was a necklace that you pulled off.
That's what I thought it was.
Something.
I don't know if it's actually something though, or if it's just catching on something, because that's what I thought too.
Yeah. It's like grating kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna pull it this way
Yep.
a little bit. Of course. Definitely feels heavy. I tell. I don't even know what it is.
Oops.
Hmm.
Here we go. There we go. That might actually end up being a good one.
Okay, there you go. Now pack it to the lily pad. Okay.
See him? That's so funny.
Now you follow. There you go.
Let's see. Heavy?
Yeah, but that's. I think that.
I think that metal grate. Or anything?
Yeah. A bottle cap. That's funny.